Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to refresh Outlook. So there are three simple ways of refreshing Outlook, and I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook. So the first one is just by clicking this icon right here. So you can just click on it and it will refresh your Outlook. The second one is just to press F5 button on your keyboard. So this will refresh your Outlook. And the third option is just to close an Outlook and open it again. And this also will refresh your Outlook. So this is it. These are 3 ways how you can refresh your Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!